Are you struggling with the TOEFL listening section? You're not alone. Many students find it challenging. But, scoring 28 or higher is possible. In this video, we'll break down essential strategies to ace the TOEFL listening section. First, familiarize yourself with the test format. The TOEFL listening consists of conversations and lectures. Understanding this will make you prepared. Second, practice active listening. This means focusing entirely on the audio. Avoid distractions around you. Next, take notes while listening. Jot down key points. Summarize main ideas, specific details, and speaker opinions. Your notes will help during the questions. Additionally, anticipate questions as you listen. Focus on what might be asked. This will keep you engaged. Now, let's discuss vocabulary building. Expand your listening vocabulary. Being familiar with common terms helps a lot. Moreover, practice with real TOEFL materials. Use official practice tests. These mimic the actual test experience. Let's use an example. Imagine listening to a lecture about climate change. You hear the professor discuss causes and effects. Note the main idea: climate change impacts our environment. Write down supporting details as they come up. This will help you answer questions correctly. In summary, familiarize yourself with the format. Practice active listening and note-taking. Build your vocabulary and use real materials. Now, it's your turn. You can greatly improve your TOEFL listening score. Take action today. For more detailed tips, check out Transform Academy's course. Click the link in the description box below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.